Veeva is a SaaS provider focusing primarily on the life science vertical. So we make a variety of products like customer relationship management and content management systems, focusing in on the pharmaceutical, medical device, and biotech industries. Our customers are primarily worried about the protection of their data. And when they're looking at storing their data in the cloud with a company like Veeva, one of their number one concerns would be, how does Veeva ensure that we keep their data secure? tCell is the most forward-facing layer that is directly exposed to the internet, and it's essentially monitoring the activity that happens between the internet and our web applications. So we make a lot of investments to protect our customers' data. We spend a lot of time looking at how do we protect our infrastructure, how do we protect the application layer as well from potential attacks, and also how do we manage a fairly forward-thinking information security management system.
We had somewhat held off deploying a traditional web application firewall. We didn't want to be tied to the legacy tools that required a bottleneck configuration. We wanted a very decentralized, asynchronous tool that was lightweight, wouldn't impact server performance, but was still really easy to deploy.
So we looked at a number of web application firewall providers in the market. We spent probably over 6 months looking at different solutions.
A lot of people have their servers on-prem, which is fine if you're using a centralized web application firewall, but if you're of a highly distributed nature and you have servers potentially all over the world, you need to approach the problem from a different perspective.
And what we found was tCell in particular had the best mix of having a highly performant asynchronous agent that gave us tight coupling and visibility to our products while also being highly performant. And it also offered additional functionality that we didn't even expect.
We immediately saw trending data. So, when QA kicks off a test on a Friday night, why are there all of these errors coming up that we maybe didn't see before? That was something that we could immediately communicate, and it helped us drive better processes for assisting our customers.
And tCell also gave us better visibility into various accounts that were being used incorrectly, misconfigured, as well as how we had to improve our security configurations within the application, which definitely would go beyond what a traditional WAF would offer. There's definitely a lot that we can do from a security perspective to not only help our customers, but also help the company to grow by allowing them to focus on new features and functionality instead of always having to worry about the skeletons in the closet, so to speak.
I guess the casual bar conversation has actually happened more than a few times where I've recommended tCell, and one of the first things I say is, just the level of insight out the box that you get by just installing the app, it's far better than anything else that we've encountered. tCell has been a vendor that really listens to their customers. They weren't a nebulous black box that we just trusted to protect our application. We look at them as a partner.
They have definitely exceeded all of our expectations. It looks like we're going to be able to benefit from not only the functionality we had purchased them initially for that we knew about, but also because of the breadth of their strategy that will continue to benefit from their overall development of capabilities.